Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are covering 5 simple brain exercises to build a coding logic fast for beginners. जो beginners कोडिंग सीखते हैं बट कोडिंग लॉजिक नहीं सीखते और इसी वजह से ट्यूटोरियल देखने के बाद भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होती। इन 2026 AI सिंटेक्स लिख देगा बट लॉजिक वो तुम्हें बनाना पड़ेगा। टुडे आई विल शो यू 5 simple brain exercises that transform beginners into problem solver fast. Coding is not typing fancy syntax. Coding is breaking problems into small logical steps. कंप्यूटर को सिर्फ एग्जैक्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन समझ आते हैं। अगर स्टेप्स क्लियर नहीं है कोड फेल हो जाएगा। टॉप डेवलपर सिंटेक्स याद नहीं करते, दे ट्रेन देयर थिंकिंग प्रोसेस। हाउ डू यू मेक टी? Gaze on water, 8 tea leaves, milk, sugar, boil. That's literally programming logic. Before touching keyboard, write logic in plain English. This is called pseudocode. अगर लॉजिक क्लियर है, any programming language becomes easy. Find largest number in array. Start, take first number as max. Compare next number if bigger. Update max, repeat and print max. Top coders instantly identify patterns. Repeat हो रहा है मतलब loop. Choice लेना है means condition. Same function बार बार repeat हो रहा है मतलब recursion. Loop example: pen rotating, clock ticking, school attendance, and repetition in real life is loops in programming. Repeat loop decision in if-else divide functions. How does this app work internally? Login system, feed, loading, likes, counter, comments, database, notifications. Big apps are just small logical blocks connected together. Every giant software is a collection of micro functions. फाइनल वैल्यू क्या होगा इसका? Elite developers run code inside their brain. This technique is called dry running. इंटरव्यूज में यही सी स्किल्स फास्टेस्ट डिबगिंग करवाती है। फाइंड एवरेज ऑफ नंबर्स। व्हाट इफ अरे इज एम्प्टी? बूम, क्रैश। बिगिनर्स थिंक अबाउट नॉर्मल इनपुट्स, प्रोफेशनल्स थिंक अबाउट डेंजरस इनपुट्स। एम्प्टी, नेगेटिव, ह्यूज इनपुट, डुप्लीकेट, नल। Like the video and comment your review about this video. AI can generate syntax, but AI still needs human logic. Companies in 2026 are hiring problem solvers, not tutorial watchers. Coding logic is not talent, it's brain training. Practice these 5 exercises daily for 30 minutes, and your problem solving ability will completely transform. Remember, coding logic is not magic, it's a daily brain training. AI can generate code, but powerful thinking will always belong to real developers. If you want more videos on coding logic, DSA thinking, interview preparation, and AI proof developer skills, then hit the like button, subscribe right now, and comment below which exercise are you starting from today. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.